Hello everyone, let's get started. From the template, choose Oasis Tweet, which opens to our template project. And from here, you can see the smart contract is written in a language called Solidity. It has fields like the message and the image URL and the price you ask for people to comment on your message. And so the add comment function is a payable function that asks people to pay before they can comment. Now let's look at how cryptocurrency works. And in this IDE, you are allocated 5 addresses. And so let's get a bit of cryptocurrency or money into those addresses so that you can pay for the network gas and pay to comments. And you go to this file set address that's in the tutorial and say get one test OETH to get some money into your account. Now come back to the IDE and see the money is already available in your account. Now you can deploy the contract and use it. Say hit on the compile button. It compiles the Solidity source code into a bytecode that can be deployed on the blockchain. But before you deploy it, you have to fill the fields for the constructor. Now you give it the message, the URL, and then the amount of money you want people to pay you if they want to comment. Now we can see it's successfully deployed. And from within the IDE, you can interact with the deployed contract by just calling their method. All those function calls goes to the internet, goes to the blockchain, and gets the result back into your browser. So you can do message, you can do image, you can see the image URL you have just set in the constructor. You can see the price you have just set. And from there, you can go to the dApp application, which is the front end. The smart contract is the back end of your application. The dApp is the front end of your application. It has HTML and JavaScript. The way it works is JavaScript contacts the blockchain and calls the method on calls the functions on those smart contracts to get results, right? So the reload function essentially retrieves all the information from the smart contract and displays on the web page. So now you can say if you hit wrong, you can have the web page with the information stored on the smart contract displayed on this web page. And now you can also pretend you are a commenter and comment on this message. And in order to comment, as we said, in order to comment, the account have to have some cryptocurrency in order to pay for the price the content creator asked for. That essentially prevents spam because people who don't want to pay would not be able to comment, right? So here you can see the message and the comment, and now you can publish the page. Once you hit publish, the HTML is sent to a static website and get published there. And it's gonna have a URL which you can share with your friends on social media and with everybody. Now here's the web page. You can share it. Thank you very much.